Hi everyone, today on FIXBOND, we are repairing to severely swollen DJI drone batteries sent in by a client. These batteries are completely bloated like small footballs because of gas buildup inside, which usually happens from overcharging while hot or leaving them fully charged under the hot summer sun. Whatever you do, never follow stupid online tutorials that tell you to poke or puncture a swollen battery to release the gas. Doing that can cause a massive thermal runaway explosion that will easily burn through your floor. The correct and safe method is to let a professional rebuild them. Today, we are opening the bloated plastic casings, safely removing the damaged cells, and swapping them with fresh premium high-rate cells to give them hundreds of new flight cycles. If you want to know how to keep your batteries healthy, always let them cool down completely before charging, and never store them fully drained or fully charged. If you want to watch the complete precision cell replacement process, the detailed video starts right now with some background music. Stay tuned.